So now that I have this um, block scaled to about what I want and the units about where I want, next thing that I think I'm going to do is add a little geometry to this, because right now if I go into edit mode and try to change the shape of this, I only have 8 points to work with, kind of limiting on what I can do with such limited geometry. So I'm going to go ahead and push A on my keyboard and select all. And this isn't a big deal what I'm in really for this. But in this case, I am going to, for select mode up here, I'm going to go to edge select mode. As I said, it's not a huge deal. But I'm going to go ahead on, I'm going to right click and I'm going to select subdivide. And by default, subdivision puts in, well, whatever I'd put in previously if I've used it prior in this project, or by default at the beginning, it'll just put in one cut everywhere. So each face, each area, there's been one cut made. I can simply scale this up by clicking and dragging. However, it tops out at 10. If I want to add more geometry than that, I can simply key in a larger number. 100 is probably going to be a little more than I need, but let's just go ahead and say 20 instead of 10. And we get a lot of detail there, or a lot more detail. And then that becomes something that is a little bit more workable as we move forward.